Hello and welcome to another update video about Polkadot. Just to emphasize again that we have a good chance to turn around in this yellow support area. At least it is a possible turning point, and at least we've got some support levels there. We've got some Fibonacci confluence, we've got some targets, and yeah, it came down quite strongly here in the last few days after it peaked here in this wave 1. In our resistance area, which was sort of here, this structural resistance, yeah, around 757 all the way up to $8. This was our resistance for this wave up, and it peaked there, did come down, has now touched the first support level really at the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement of this high, yeah. But an A wave, so I'm currently counting this as an A wave of a larger ABC correction in a wave 2, okay? So at the moment, the idea would be we find support ideally either here at 649.9 or 607. As long as it's holding support here, it can rally then in a B wave or something even more bullish. So we're gonna talk about that in this video because it could bottom here in an A wave. So there is some positive confluence there. Either from here in a, yeah, let's call it B wave rally, which would be a bearish rally into the region between 718 and 759. This is sort of a typical target for a B wave, if it's not an overshooting B wave, and then should come down in a C wave. Yeah, so there is also a more bullish scenario which we want to talk about, and that's why I think we've got some good confluence. If you have several scenarios pointing in the right or in the same direction or pointing towards a possible turning point, that might be worth looking at it. Now again, this is never financial advice, you know that. The other scenario that we have is that we actually completed a 5-wave move already in this rally here to the upside that we had here. Also, let me just think, a 1, 2, 3, 4, and that we then had, let me just think, one second. It would be a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, okay, then the wave 4 actually here and the wave 5 to the upside. Not ideal because this move up counts better as a 3-wave move. Either way, this would be another scenario. In this particular scenario, we came down in, oh no, 1 second, mistake. Just need to double check. No, I think it's correct. Yeah, 5-wave move. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this 5-wave move peaked here then in a wave 1, and then we came down in an ABC in a wave 2, so that we had this already complete, and that this is already, we talked about that before, didn't we? That this could already be the 3rd wave due to the strength of the movement. Now, of course, we cannot fully write that off. So the idea is still there as long as we're holding basically the $5.90 level, that this could be a 3rd wave to the upside, which could then have formed a 1-2 setup. And should Bitcoin, Ethereum put their extension in, we could get a real rally here in a 3rd wave. So this is actually quite an opportunity. Now, do I know it's a B wave? Do I know it's a 3rd wave? Well, we don't know. That's the thing. But the advantage that we have here in this scenario, which I've highlighted in red now, in this 1-2 setup, we've now also pulled back basically into key support. Because if I'm just measuring here as a 1-2 setup, yeah, we basically should turn around at the latest at 631. So you've got some fib confluence around that 50-day moving average and this yellow support box and the green support box for, I disregard the color at this stage, but you know, you've got different scenarios pointing in the same direction. Now, this still doesn't guarantee that support is going to hold, but it means it is a higher probability that we should see a turnaround here. And in the very best case, it's going to rally in a 3rd wave. Now, that's not my primary expectation, but if it rallies in a 3rd wave, we can very shortly say hello to, no, 1 second. We can very shortly say hello to basically $9.70. That would be quite a decent increase, and that would be only a first target basically. Yeah, so hopefully that's clear. So my views, I've got two scenarios here that I'm primarily focused on. So first of all, either we turn around in a B wave, which would be my primary expectation, and then come down in C. So at least the B wave could be traded, even though here I'd be careful with too much risk because the B wave is hard to forecast. Or it's a wave 3 in the best case, which is not my primary expectation, but still decent reward to risk. Okay. And if it, of course, goes below $6.07, then we've got something more bearish. But it's come down so much that I would at least expect some kind of a bounce from here. Maybe that would be the B wave. So this is sort of what I'm watching here at the moment with Polkadot. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.